Hi, and welcome to Way Back Wednesday. This week we're doing the year 2011, which was a pretty unique year for us. We actually had a snowstorm on October 29th, just a couple days before Halloween. A pretty significant storm. It was quite a few inches of snow, and with the weight of the snow and the trees having leaves, it brought a lot of trees down. A lot of power outages in our area. We didn't actually lose power, but a lot of the areas was out. So it was kind of a crazy Halloween. So let's go back and check that out and like and subscribe. Keep following us and keep us growing. Thanks. Okay, here we are, the calm before the storm. It's going to look a lot different in a couple of days here. But here's a picture of our ghost here, woman ghost. I think that one was new. Here's another picture of the lawn. The hearse, you can see the hearse. I think it was newly painted here. It looks like it's been freshened up. There's another new female ghost here that we had in the process here. We get this one a little better eventually. Here's a picture of the hearse. You can see the coffin hanging out the back here. The Red Baron on the side. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think this guy was new too this year. It was kind of a cheap mask that we had, but we kind of just put this figure together. We kind of like him, but I think we kind of switch him around a little bit now, but we keep the body. I think and use a different mask. Here's the hearse driver. Oh, you can see he's got new clothes this year. So that was good. Kind of an improvement finally. He got his own kind of outfit here, as opposed to the crappy stuff he was wearing. Here's a full lawn picture. It looks like a nice fall day here. Still some green grass. This is actually a Jacob Marley costume that we used. We still have the mask isn't around anymore, but we still have the body. Here's another mask that I like that again also disintegrated over time, unfortunately. Here's the Ghost Pirate. I think he was from last year, so he's a returner. He's still around also today. I like him. He's good. Okay, and now here we are, October 29th, and the snow is falling. It's pretty deep. It's pretty significant here. You can see the weight of the snow actually knocked a whole bunch broke their heads, the dowels and the wood in their heads. So it was actually quite a bit of damage as well. When it all was said and done here, and when we actually got out to do the cleanup. But here's some interesting pictures of Halloween in the snow. There's the hearse and the hearse driver. You can see he's getting pretty well buried. The ghosts in front there are starting to stagger and fall over. Now here we are. This is Halloween night. The snow has started to melt now a little bit after it's been a few days. But we did the best we could here with this. With the situation. Here we are, the skeleton pirate, and you can still see some snow lingering around him. So again, pretty unique Halloween. Crazy year.